In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create your Getresponse account and start using it for your email marketing. I love Getresponse so much because their price is very friendly and it's so easy to use. It's something that I recommend for a complete beginner. You will see how easy it is to start using Getresponse for your email marketing so you can start making more sales in your business. So the first thing you need to do is to open a free account, okay? GetResponse offers you a 30 days free trial and you can also upgrade to start using their paid plan. All right. But if you don't have money yet, you can start using their free trial to start making sales for yourself. I've been using GetResponse over the years and it's been fantastic. I love their service and their customer support is just top notch. So we're going to create a free account right now. Please, if you are a returning subscriber, you are welcome. If you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. And if you find this video helpful, please ensure that you like and comment. All right. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is to go to their website. So just type getresponse.com on your Chrome browser and it's going to channel you to this particular dashboard. So the first thing we need to do is to click on sign up and it's free. So we're just going to sign up right now. Once we sign up, they will send us an email for us to confirm our account, and that's just how it works. Okay. So the first thing we do is to put in our name here. So for this, I'm just going to put something. Okay. So I'm just going to quickly fill in this stuff. And then once I fill in those stuff, look at what it says here. Use at least 8 characters for your password because they are always very sensitive about passwords. So you have to use 8 characters. You have to mix letters with numbers. You cannot just use only numbers or only letters. You have to mix both of them. You have to mix lowercase with uppercase. What does that mean? You have to use capital letter and small letter. Mix both of them. You have to use a special character. Example at. So if you do not know other special character, just make sure that your password has at and you will be good to go. By the time you meet all these requirements, it's going to check all these 4 things here and then you just click on your create account. Okay, you click on create account. Okay, simply click on create account. Our account is being created in a moment. And once our account is created, they're going to send you email to verify that you are a human being. So they have just sent us an email in that account. So I'm just going to click on activate my account right there. I'm just going to click on activate my account right there. And in just a moment, they are going to activate our account for us. All right. So our account getting activated, they are asking us to fill in our company name, country, address, zip code, and all of that. So you need to get these details. These things are very simple. You can just use Google to get them. What's your company name? Please keep in mind that you can actually change this if you want later on. So I'm just going to fill in something that I like here. So for zip code, just go ahead and type what is the zip code of Lagos and you'll be able to see something. What is the zip code of the address you type? You'll be able to see something there. You can just fill in anything that you want, state, and phone number. All right. Okay. So once we are done, we're going to click. If there's any error, it's going to bounce back, and then they will tell us the reason for the error. But if there is no error, your account is going to be created right now. All right. So this video is simply to show you how you can create your account. Ensure that you subscribe to my channel, because I'm going to show you how you can activate your account, how you can set up a lot of things in this account, and how you can start sending your first email and start using it to grow your business. So ensure that you subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell. They are just going to send me a code on my phone number. So you have to ensure that the phone number you are using is something that is very active, because they will send you a code to that number that you use to verify. So let me get my phone number and verify right away. So they have just sent me a code to my phone number, and I'm going to put that code right here. Okay, like I said, make sure that your phone number is active, because they will send a code to that number. So I'm just going to put that code and click on verify. Once I click on verify, if everything goes well, your account will be verified. What does that mean? It means that your account is now ready. You can start setting it up, and you can start even scheduling your first email. It is pretty easy. That is why I love using Getresponse. It's something I've been using for over the years, because of how simple and easy it is. Okay, in the next video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do your proper settings to ensure that you maximize the benefits and the features that comes in with this account. Please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. I will see you in the next video. Cheers.